President, sir. Good evening, Shikre Saab, and everybody.
Good
Velan
evening.
here.
Good evening,
Velan,
Dr.
Velan here,
Velan.
sir.
Good
Velan
evening,
here,
Dr.
sir.
Velan.
Hi, Ravi. Ravi. Good evening, Ravi. How are you?
How are
All
you?
doing
Good
good,
evening.
sir.
Good evening, President, sir.
Good evening, Velan sir. Namaskar.
Dominic, how is my background now?
Your background is superb, yeah. Your background is superb. Your T-shirt is also superb. Hello, Narsimhan sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Narasimhan
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
So let's start, sir. It is 5
Hi, Dominic sir. Good evening,
So I
Dominic,
think,
sir.
Dominic, I know though we can start, it is very important that we wait for some more time because the vice president has to be there.
Are you there? Velan,
Is
sir.
there? Velan is
No,
there.
no, no. No, we have two vice presidents, na, sir?
That is not right.
He'll come.
to-
He'll come. Don't worry. All
Okay,
will come.
okay.
Okay.
Sanjeev
Very
ji,
happy.
namaskar. As a president, sir, let me wish everybody quickly. Narsaman, good evening. Pradeep Seth Saab, good evening to you.
Good evening. Good evening.
So before we start, we want to congratulate our President Saab for the wonderful recognition and Gaurav Award that he has received.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
For that, he has agreed to distribute one black label to everybody.
You know?
It is supposed to reach before 31st evening.
Yeah. But one black label. One black label. No, no, no.
सर आप प्रेम से जो भी दोगे वो ले लेंगे.
We should all. It's time we all met. Time we all met. Thank you so much.
Okay,
This
sir.
This Akshay is a very strong body, extremely strong body. Their jury has selected and given this. Good. Thank you very much.
Sir, you deserve many more accolades. You deserve.
Thank you, Velan. With all your good wishes, we'll do. By the time we make now, concentrate on focus. To make focus 2021. By the time by December comes over there, the whole country should be talking of focus. Okay,
Great, sir.
we'll make it. We'll make that happen. Don't worry. Sandeep, our things in Bombay fine now.
Yes, fine. Things are
Back to
pretty good.
normalcy. Back to normalcy.
Yes.
No major concerns. But theaters are open. Cinema
No.
theaters.
No.
But in Bangalore is open. Can you believe it? Bangalore cinema theater is open.
Sir, in Chennai also, yes.
Chennai also open.
Yeah. Shirke sir, good evening. Velan here. So this is
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Right,
Nice to see
right.
you.
nice to see you, sir.
Each one of you. Yes.
After a long time.
Yes, after a long time.
Well, therein is a time.
Absolutely.
You were nice.
Sir, President is.
I think we should start. We should start the meeting.
Yes, sir. We need to start, sir. Let's not wait.
Yeah, not a problem. Everything is recorded, so everybody will replay that for those who want. So very happy. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your response for joining this particular meeting there. And this meeting has been convened primarily to take care of the clarity of objectives as well as the issues related to activities in the short term, medium term, and long term. What you propose to do, etc., are the things which are there. The first and foremost thing is that we are very happy that we are now having 17 organizations joining with focus. Look at that. We had one or two hiccups there, here and there, of an FSAI or IPA showing some difficulties in joining. But here we are, 17 of them showing the right pleasure, and the remaining two also will join, because some amount of misconception they had in their mind. And therefore, the first thing I want to clarify in the meeting, so that the whole thing is there on record, so that will be the minutes itself. We are not in competition with any one of the fraternal associations or societies, professional bodies working in the sector. So our sector covers all the critical utilities services above the ground and below the ground, within the building and outside the building. So clarity, first clarity of thing. Every word I'm telling has got, because I have gone through it in very minute detail. Therefore, I thought for once for all, we bring clarity on that. We are not in competition with any one of the fraternal organizations or associations working in some part of the sector, some part. We are dealing with as a unifying body, rightly brought out by Dominic in a wonderful mail today, and serving this particular sector of critical utility services within the building, as well as above the building and below the building, as well as the external and internal. You don't get internal service unless the external lines come onto that. And when I say we are not in competition, we will never ever repeat any work being done by any fraternal organization. So that will be an absolute clarity of mind for those who felt that we are stepping into their shoes. Second one is, we are a complementing organization wherein we would like to see each one of the sectors growing in a large way. At the end of it, the built environment, which is a combination of all the critical utility services coming together, will be able to perform together. At the end of the day, we would like to see what does it mean to the most important two people. Our stakeholders are the most important one. The builders, the developers, the government, if they are the developer, what does it mean to them? We mean, what does it mean to the user of the building? User of the building is finally the one who is going to come and take a space of a house or a building or a office space, whatever. What does it mean to them in terms of final service? They wouldn't mind what happens to fire or what happens to HVAC, as long as everything works together, Talmail takes place on that. So second one is a complementing component there. We are a coordinating organization. We are integrating organization, third and fourth word. Not in competition, complementing, and a coordinating and integrating organization. Absolute clarity is going to come. While each of the verticals in their own way, they'll be doing what is good for HVAC alone, lift alone, firefighting alone, plumbing alone, security alone. We are talking in terms of all the thing coming in the XYZ space in a building, horizontally, vertically, in all directions, wherever it comes on that, so that we are able to take a unified decision on that. So very good clarity of events activity coming over there. We would be the only organization wherein activity is not taking place is not only at the level of the all stages of the product, namely at the design stages, construction stages, completion stages, commissioning stages, and operation stages, and post-operation to keep things going. Therefore, assets and facility management comes as an important thing, which is not necessarily a part of any of the verticals so far dealing with that. Each one is happy to do their own services, their own work. They are doing a great job, because let us give credit to each one of our, we are all members of that. I'm a member of FSI, I'm a member of IPA, a member of ISHRE, I'm a member of so many organizations there. I'm also a member here. I'm all member of IGBC, I'm a member here. So we got to have clarity of thought there. And therefore, the last point was the comprehensiveness, coordination, and integration of all, covering end to end from the concept to the design to the construction / installation, completion, commissioning, and performance of operation through AFM level. So there is a unique state over there. It is the right time for me to share the way in which the world is looking at us. You will be surprised how world already started looking at us. And initiatives already coming from US. We had a conversation with one of the biggest group in US, and they're all very excited about this coordinating initiative happen. So then they also have said, nobody has done it like this. So globally, we are number one to have a unifying, coordinating body or a platform to deal with all the critical utility services. We should have a sense of pride when we hear that. It is not for nothing that we are there for the meeting, and when you did that with Dubai, as well as with US, as well as with England, the people over there, they're extremely happy and excited about it, including Singapore. So there's a global dimension also coming of focus going global. Very importantly, besides what we do, all the states as well as national outreach that will go over there. And that's the next point I want to say. The next major component is the activities. Our activities. So therefore, clarity is coming on each one of the area. So nobody should worry that will their activity be available. And we will make all efforts out of the way to see that our own activities will not clash with any major thing announced in the calendar of activity, yearly calendar of activity of any of our major stakeholder organizations which are coming, be it on ISHRE or be it FSI or IPA, etc., their annual congress, their related work, exhibition, whatever, so that there'll be no clash at any point of time dealing with those particular ones. We are also trying to indicate that our membership covers, while sectoral people will be there, our membership will be beyond that. Our membership will be having larger user organization. That is where I'm very happy that even organizations like the Builders Group, like the NAREDCO, under Niranjan's leadership, is already part of this particular body. Our organization is also unique because it is not only the MEPFC vertical discipline alone. We also come in a unified group of two major groups of the engineers and architects. Architects through the Indian Store Architects joining there, and through the engineers through the Association of Consulting Civil Engineers. Very major thing. In these other organizations, they are exclusively that particular subject specialists with HVAC or fire, etc., etc. So that also is an important component of not only at the level of builder, architects, engineers, they're all the people going to put the final product of the built environment. Now, therefore, clarity of thought is absolutely necessary. Nobody should have any focused mind. What do we do? How are we different? We are different from all these point of view, which they are not doing on that. Number two, in terms of activities, we have started well with the Bangalore chapter. Congratulations, Jayalakshmi and all the team people who worked on that. And we are very shortly going to open out on Chennai. Both Ravi as well as Velan, our vice president, are there working on it. We have got hints both from Pradeep Sheth Saab as well as Ahmedabad, as well as from Bombay, Sandeep Shikreji. Pune, also some signals have already come for them to start the work. Some initiatives for opening that in Kerala has also come. So my own vision is that by March, this is my short-term vision, by March 2021, we got 3 more months to go by. By March 2021, every state capital or state lead one will have one of the focus chapters over there, including union territories, if possible. So all of us have to work very hard. That's not a big number. 29 plus also we already 6 or 7 lined up. We should be working on that. Roughly a chapter launch in every 15 days will be happening in different parts of it. So that's my short-term vision of opening of the chapters. And the chapters themselves should have their activities lined up, because the things should happen, topics should happen when Sandeep ji, with the leadership of Western Zone entirely under his arms. Not only are the Mumbai chapter coming, possibly you'll also see if potential is there for the Pune one. Pune has already shown interest on that, and what all can happen in the Gujarat region that also come into the Western Zone. And I'm sure with Pradeep Sheth ji working so actively there, there'll be an excellent coordination working on that. So activities of each of the chapters, a good note that has been prepared by Ravi. I liked it, Ravi, that what role, what all the nature of activities to be done, similar to the verticals that we have on the development side, which we identified about 21 of them. A similar number or a little lesser than that is doing also in chapter, so that when you do it nationally, some of these things over there, each chapter also can think in their own little way with their own specialists. It gives space and opportunity for them to also participate in a big way. I'm sure Pradeep Sheth Saab in Ahmedabad would like to work on each one of the segment in his own way to give inputs coming on that. You can have cross-pollination of ideas, chapters working together like IGBC. We have done many work with the Mumbai chapter and Pune chapter and Nagpur chapter working together. I've seen Karnataka, the Bangalore chapter, Mysore chapter and Mangalore chapter working together. Andhra, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada chapter working together. So that many times neighboring chapters can also work. Joint programs also can. Individual program will be there and joint. At the end of the day, if our institution has to grow, our roots of membership has got to spread into every city, major cities and towns and states in a large way. And membership means activities have got to be there. At least 6 activities for each chapter is what minimum. I'm not using demanding. I would request that to happen. I would like to put in a polite word. At least 6 activities per year for each chapter. 6 activities per year to each chapter. Pradeep ji, am I asking too much? You're muted, sir. You unmute, karo. Unmute.
See, every alternate month is, I mean, it's
Right.
yeah,
So-
excellent. You can organize it.
Yeah, I'm sure you can. I'm sure your own members will demand. Kya 2 mahina ho gaya, kuch nahi hua. They will themselves, at least to start the very first year, minimum 2 activities per chapter. And each activity of the chapter will also energize the membership. And since within the chapter there are various other vertical section, the lift group might like to talk, air conditioning group might like to have, or maybe the design group from the architectural side would like to see, we have major problems of coordination and issues related to that. So you saw the way in which the commissioner, Mr. Asim Gupta ji, talked about coordination. He's looking forward to focus to give ideas. Can you believe the administrator and principal secretary of industry and commerce of Karnataka government and the administrator is equal to mayor and the commissioner above that, saying that want to give idea, and he's the one who wanted to talk in terms of all the buried utilities below the ground. He has got nobody has an idea what's happening. So therefore, I said above the ground and below the ground activity. So 2 activities for each particular one is the one which I have as the medium one. So this is once the chapter comes over there, and the remaining one. After the state capital component comes over there, which is by March, the subsequent one, I'm sure Pradeep ji will indicate with his leadership there, possibly there's a potential in Vadodara, possibly there's a potential in Rajkot, possibly potential in Surat. I'm sure Sandeep ji will indicate. I'm sure Pune has the potential is there for Nagpur. Other things is for them to decide. Like that for each of this particular area. So that will be coming as an expansion. So if around 30 are the numbers of the short-term one, the long-term component I want to do of 50, that number has been already told. Can we have at least 50 chapters by end of 2021? It's not a very difficult dream to implement. You have 365 days, we have 12 months, 52 weeks available, and to spread it once a starting point comes in Chennai, I'm sure between Velan and Ravi, you'll be able to easily see how Coimbatore can blossom, how Pondicherry can blossom, how Madurai can blossom. I've just given 3 ideas. In Kerala, straight away I'm able to see Trivandrum, Calicut, and Cochin can come over there. First one, which one will come most probably will be Trivandrum, where I'm going to give a lead because based over here, I will ensure the chapter comes on there. So that 50 to be done by the end of year 2021 is my this one. Just like we have said, activities to be done of 2 for each of the chapters to be sorry, 1 in 2 months or 6 events to take place at the corporate level. Corporate level focus should organize minimum 1 event. So that's a thing between Dominic and Ravi and Narasimhan to see how best we can organize. At the national level, we'll have, according to me, it should be 21 for each of the sector. 1 event is what I am planning in coordination with all concerned people on that. And I'll tell you, focus will make such a major impact. The moment you discuss as an issue on HVAC issue, when I discuss, I will not be discussing anything that ISHRE will be discussing. No, that's their job. But I will definitely discuss all these issues on the comfort ventilation issues, on the sensitivity of infection spread. That was never an area of concern earlier, but now it's a major area of concern there. How it's going in a major area of energy saving issue, and therefore the electrical installation will come into it. How it's going in an area of fire related issue through air conditioning spread through ducts and all that. Therefore, it's a common area. It was never there. It was never in their particular forum, but in our forum we'll discuss because we are dealing with the interacting, coordinating area with the influence effect. I call the influence area coming on that. I'm sure when I finish that, I'll be calling all our members to talk Sandeep in particular, because he will be able to indicate. I do remember the amazing job the hospital in Kohinoor and all that, with each one of the consultant, the coordinating one, like what it came earlier, the type of changes coming, etc. So therefore, minimum is one a month. According to me, it can even maybe after the first 6 months are over, so January to June, maybe the second half from July to 1, that can enhance to even two a month. You can easily do it because we have chapter heads available. Pradeep is a chapter head over there. With Indian Institute of Architects, with Sandeep Shikre, now the elections are now going to take place. IIA in a big way. They are rejuvenating the whole Institute of Architects there. ACE already has got a small one. So we will do along with ACE, we'll do along with Indian Institute of Architects, we'll do along with each of the organization major. So minimum, I am planning between 12 to 18. So I gave a rule up from January to June, 1 month, 1 event. And from July to so 2 events to take place. That makes it about 12 plus 6, 18 events as far as the national one is concerned. The next major area which you want to bring is that, and this is where the good idea which has come from Dominic to bring the anthem. I like it very much. I would like to give full support for the particular thing. Once an identity is there, our logo has already made a phenomenal amount of impact on that. Once that logo anthem comes by March, it will be a great thing that will be played over. Plus a good newsletter. I want to have, like the IPA brings out regular interval, their newsletter. We should also have, IGBC brings once in 3 months. We should have over a period of time, and that is where advocacy and policy advocacy, Ravi will give a big lead on the particular one of informing people what we are doing, continuously informing that. Information is power, information is guidance, each one knowing what are all the new areas emerging in this area. And major thing about 4 major activity in 2021 to bring outstanding international best practice, outstanding international best practices, and outstanding speaker in each one of the sector. It could be an architect identified, or it could be a good service engineer of air conditioning or energy person from Germany, or some other component from Japan, whatever, to come and give us those address. And these particular thought leaders, I use the word thought leaders coming and addressing us is going to be a phenomenal amount of impact. Focus, bringing it. And once in 3 months, they should know who is the next one coming. The whole country should be there to wait and hear for that particular one to get ideas. Why I'm trying to say is the type of interest that we have received from Singapore, US, UK, Dubai, so far only so much so far over is phenomenal. They all are ready to happily come and extend their hand to join with our particular activities there. The last point on which I want to close the first round of my presentation is that the membership drive. Membership drive is a very important thing, and there's good amount of response coming here. And besides individual members coming over there, the institutional members, we already paved the way by clearing that particular thing in our management council meeting. It'll get through the governing council meeting, which is the highest body of ours, and then it will be the amendment will come. They also wanted to have a small change of the designation. Instead of having as the North, East, West, South directors, they would also like to be called chairman. That's a view of Samir Gupta ji. Even Ashish wanted it. We respect that idea. There seems to be unanimity on that. And that will be in line with the other one, because that is the only one having the director one coming. We would like to, if you all agree with that particular point, the sentiment on that, all along with the list of amendment, Narasimhan will include this also of renaming them instead of as the regional zones, zonal directors, zonal chiefs, they'll be called for the activity there. So, and therefore membership drive becomes a very important component in all the segments. And the last one, along with that particular thing, is a launch of student chapters. Yeah, once the chapters in every state starts coming on that, and that I said already, the numbers we already have given by March, we should have each state 150 by so on. So by the time that will also indicate education institutions or architectural engineering, mechanical engineering, how we can get student chapters to work on that. one of the good success for IPA, good success for IGBC, good success for ISHRE is also due to the student chapters working very hard. So we should also have the focus student chapters also to be started, and we'll get a lot of interest coming. This is interdepartmental coordination will come over there, because in every college over there, you'll have the electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, architecture, civil engineering, discipline being taught. But once focus comes over there, it's a joint area of work. So therefore, they will also have the work do that. One more area which I want is, once focus comes of a national image, I want to ensure the type of contacts I have with various institutions, including Bureau of Indian Standard. I want focus to be a member in large number of committees of the Bureau of Indian Standards dealing with standardization, design, as well as of codes and standards over there. I'll make all my efforts. For that, we have to make a pitch that we got all the wherewithal to deal with that in terms of integrated, coordinated information to be made available. Even BIS is very keen within their own particular system to do that. I think I'll stop at this point of time. I would like to give as much time to everybody to speak. Now time is 7. We got half an hour exactly to complete our meeting on that. So oops, I would like to take, I'd like to give the opportunity. Anybody? Sandeep, can I ask you? Or can I ask Valen? Anybody?
Yeah.
Open.
So, okay. So, very nicely articulated by President that we are not in competition. We are here to complement all the institutes.
Correct words. You got it right, sir. I'm thinking.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So coming to the point, what I personally feel, and this is a thought open to the forum.
Yeah.
See, all other institutes and the organizations such as our own IGBC, IPA, ISHRE, they all have a very visible and a tangible parameter to decide their initiatives, programs. Now we have to really do a very focused exercise to establish our framework, jurisdiction of our focus, So for example, when you talk about sustainability and when you talk about the IGBC or for that matter GRIHA or for GBC, the parameters are clearly given. You are advocating a green practices. You're talking about all the aspects of green practices with some measurable components, and slowly and steadily that science is advancing and developing where the clarity is there amongst the ambassadors. Now there's a lead AP exam. There's a proper curriculum. There's a proper course. There are proper books. There are proper forum,
Yeah.
And there's a rating system also. So now in focus, our entire framework and our spread is very comprehensive, is very wide. So I am constantly thinking on it, and to tell you the truth, I haven't yet got an answer. But I like what you said today, that it is a commissioning, integration, and the performance. So what I feel,
I use the word comprehensive, coordination, integration. So those are all words together, including commissioning and operation performance.
Yeah. So I feel that is the right clue which I am trying to further elaborate on. That each of these disciplines are there and they are doing an excellent job, as you said correctly.
Yeah.
They have been an expert in their fields, and there are volumes of codes, standards, best practices, measurable parameters have been pinned down, and practices have been doing, and the awards have been given, and it is done. So as a focus, I feel we should further refine and fine-tune our agenda, our vision, and our mission to the integration, comprehensive integration, and the performance. So, let me tell you, when we talk about elevator, and when people started talking more about the elevator, they understood the criticality in the elevator is if the elevator stops due to the power suddenly going off, it can create a havoc. It can create havoc. So, elevator company derived a device called automatic rescue device, ARD it is called. So ARD is an invention which is very latest invention, just 5 to 10 years back, because as the high rises started coming up. Similarly, when we put a DG set, the AMF panel came in picture because you don't want a manual override, you want an automatic override. So
Yeah.
there is an MF panel whereby nobody has to do nothing, it automatically has an override, etc. When
Yeah.
we design some extremely critical data centers, like when we are working for National Stock Exchange, they
Yeah.
said we can't have our operation shut for 1 microsecond because
Yeah.
their data is on for the etc. So
Yeah.
we will have to identify the relation. I mean, Mr. Sheth will understand more clearly,
Yeah.
and also, how important it is to function all those services those have been designed.
Yeah.
So I feel our focus should be on a smart integration and
I like the word smart integration. Very
smart
good.
integration and monitoring the smart integration. Okay,
Yeah.
let me tell you, criticality is a very subjective term. Criticality can be dealt with life and fire safety, which is very important because
Yeah.
human life
Yeah.
is most valuable. Your hygiene. The criticality can also be with the customer delight. If you are
Yeah.
designing a parlor for that owner of the parlor, it is very important to have that ambience. It is very important to have that kind of a fresh air,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
kind of aroma that they are doing in a spa. So the
Ah.
criticality of each built environment
Yeah.
also varies as per the functionality of that particular premises.
Absolutely.
So we can probably introduce an idea while every consultant writes a design-based report to narrate what is the criticality that the owner and the
Yeah.
promoter and the
Yeah.
designer wants to capture.
Okay.
So if I'm designing a five-star hotel's, say probably a lobby, so the criticality is also to deal with its ambience, where the lighting plays a big role, its indoor air quality, and
Yeah.
how do we ensure that these criticalities have been properly integrated, and some new science will come out of this.
Yeah.
When actually the IBMS came out of the feedback of the consumer. That's how
Correct.
the IBMS company started getting the knowledge as to what needs to be integrated, how
Yeah.
it needs to be. Mood lighting, the whole concept of mood lighting came, sir. That concept is also 20 years old. When I designed a hotel, and I was amazed to see that 500,000 lights can be integrated into a panel, into a microprocessor oriented master box, and you can do a combination of those lighting to
Yeah.
get the kind of ambience which could be task lighting, etc., etc.
Yeah.
So I think we need to again develop a proper program by maybe appointing a very special committee amongst us, and we have to further redefine the
Yeah.
criticality, and it will take some time, maybe 2 months, 3 months.
Let it
And
take. These are
yeah, let it
creative
take.
work. Creative
because,
work.
because when also the sustainability came in picture, it slowly and steadily started growing after people
Yeah.
understood the importance.
Yeah.
What is the thing? So similarly, we need to also sit down as a think tank. I would request President to develop a think tank. All the stalwarts are here, and start pinning down how do you identify
Yeah.
criticality,
Yeah.
and then
I
how
think
do
that word you touched the jugular.
Yes.
Criticality is the major one, and therefore for each of these particular, which are all the areas, I think you take that is a brilliant one on that one issue of vertical transportation or mobility, vertically, horizontally, diagonally. What are all the related issues that comes along with that particular thing on which action is needed, which that sector may not have done it, but we can do it. Primarily from the point of view of customer delight word you use, or customer satisfaction, or performance word that you used over there. I think we should bring that. It's a good idea. And you
Yeah.
also brought in IBMS also as an important common integrated building management system is a very major component which has been missed by each of the other sectors earlier, but we can do that. And it's a very major one. I had a India chief of the Autodesk. He gave a ring to me yesterday. You know him very well, Sandeep. Autodesk, the India head. He
Yeah.
gave a ring. He said, I'm so happy to hear that you people have done an initiative. You are not told me. He said, he complained to me. He said, you people have not told me that you're starting such a great initiative on that. And this is exactly what Autodesk does. Autodesk does for each of the criticals on the HVAC, on the electrical, on the plumbing, on the fire. Each one of the things, layers of drawing, one above the other, put one over, and you can find out the fouling point on pipes and every one of those particular one, and what Autodesk and other related groups are dealing with the BIM as well as building management system information is phenomenal, and their contribution for all these type of drawings for the design, comprehensive detailed design of different types of pipelines or lengths or products, etc., become very important. I'm happy you mentioned IBM. I'm sorry I interrupted you. The moment you told IBMS, it is and a think tank to deal with that. Suddenly, I thought I'll talk of this discussion that I had with the India chief of Autodesk. Okay, he's call is from his side, and he told you have kept us completely out, and it's our mistake. It's our fault the way in which you did it so hurriedly, our launch, etc. Autodesk we missed out, and that is going to be very, very important. All your drawings that you have to be made with each one of the specialists on that in that coordinated integrated one, they are able to understand. Excelsize. What is the name of the other company? The lady somewhere in Aurangabad or somewhere she also does this particularly for a large number of international groups to deal with those coordinated layers of drawing layer one above the other. So you will see that the place for each of them, and therefore everything will be in its place. There's no clash coming on that. Please continue. Sorry,
Yeah. So,
I took a long break
Yeah.
for you.
I will
Your flow of ideas was too good.
Yeah. So I will take another 3 to 6 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes.
Please, I want you.
So I was exactly going to say what you said. Autodesk has a huge contribution because what we call as a Revit and again what is we call as a BIM, building information methodology.
Yeah.
Modeling. So in which what we do a drawings in 3D, and there's a 4D. The fourth dimension is a cost. There's a 5D. The fifth dimension is a schedule, and that is a completely a virtual model. As you said, it's a virtual model because nowadays we are not constructing the building, we are manufacturing the building. So
Yeah.
we want to take away that particular
The fourth is cost and fifth is schedule.
Yes. So 3D is a building, what you see it in 3 dimension.
Yeah.
The fourth dimension to the building is called cost, and the fifth dimension to the building is called schedule. So you have a virtual model as an owner that this particular IT complex is going to cost me 1,600 crores. So you have a cost of each and every component. There will be millions of a component which are identifiable in that model, so that it is called clash detected model. And what happens when you construct?
That's the word you use. Clash detected model. No clash.
Sir, just give me 1 minute to complete this in one flow because this is important discussion. So that particular model we give to the construction contractor, which is called 4D and 5D, where the schedule is captured. So we tell Mr. Client that we are going to construct this building in 22 months, and exactly on every day what will happen is captured as a sub-components. And the cost is also given by the millions of the components which will go into that building. Then the contractor builds a building and he creates a 6D. And that 6D is called as built, because sometimes there are some minor or major deviation from what has been done, consciously done. And that 6D model is then given to facility manager as a 7D. So the facility manager has a completely virtual building on his laptop, and anytime any problem happens, they don't do any try and error method. He knows exactly how to fix it. The gentleman could be in the United States enjoying his evening with his wife, but he has a 7D model which tells him what are the criticalities and how to fix it. And that is how these large, complex built environments have been managed. The science have already reached there. And thanks to, of course, Autodesk, who is playing a major role by developing a software called Revit and also a BIM. So we already have these tools. Now what we need to do that capture these tools on the focus forum and enlighten the fraternity and the young upcoming students and also the owners of the developers, how these things can be adapted in their practices. And once people will start adopting it, the bar will start raising, the more better and better performances will become a yardstick, and we will be in a position maybe after 6 months or 9 months to exactly identify the list of criticalities into every built environment, and we'll have a process to monitor its performance. Anything that is measurable, that can be improved, and anything that can be improved can be institutionalized. So this is the key, is what I feel. Because on our forum, with due respect, I don't think we should duplicate talking sustainability or the excellence into the renewable energy or the excellence into the plumbing and sanitation department or excellence into an
No.
HVAC.
No.
These are the things which are there, and these are the things which we respect. All of us are members of it. We should be
Yes.
able to talk about which are the premises where it is integrated well, and they all people, that whole star cast, how they are performing the best on the box office. That should be our focus. So I think we need to redefine,
Yeah.
with the help of some of the good technical stalwarts,
Yeah.
our vision and our exact, I would say the mission, and that will give a more clarity to the chapters, because in every chapter, very nicely written by Ravi and other team, these 15 members should be there. So those 15 members are experts of each individual discipline.
Yeah.
They are experts. They are really the great guys. But I feel somewhere the integration of these 15 is an independent science, which is not yet fully practiced for various reasons.
Yes.
And to me, Pradeep ji will agree with me because he comes from the background of MEP, so he knows how important it is for each of these disciplines to talk to each other and resonate each other's performance. So I think that should be our point of focus. And I'm trying to write one white paper.
Yeah.
If
Please do.
So I will try and put some conversation starter where that could be a food for thought for all of us, and that will be the unique core competency of the focus.
Yeah. In fact, if I would request, thank you so much, Sandeep ji. I expected that to come. That's why, and you exactly built upon the same particular one. Maybe if you can do in two parts, the first portion of the component that you discussed in terms of all the criticality issue, comprehensive integration, other related one can be one segment. Second component can be starting with the Autodesk and the virtual 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D, and related one where each stakeholder adding the dimension and to redefine the whole thing by which you'll be able to bring value onto the table for not only the builder but also the consumers in a large way, can be a separate document which nobody has done. Nobody has done this. None of the verticals have done. And as you rightly said, I told in the beginning itself, we are not going to be in competition. We are not going to rediscover the wheel, which is already there, which is already discovered. We will work into, tread into areas which has never been charted by anybody, which will have a major measurable impact in the overall performance. We work on, wonderful. We should work on that. And this is exactly what I thought the clarificatory meeting which I wanted. And to get the call from Autodesk India chief to me directly, because he knows me well otherwise, he said, normally you're the one who do it, but how did you miss that? I said, it was not missed. We did discuss earlier, but now that it has come from him, because many people in the MEP segment and few architects friends based in Bangalore have talked to him that there's a new body after the Bangalore chapter's launch, which took place. And then that's why he gave a ring to me. And I was so happy that he contacted me and I said, sir, we'll utilize your full service in a big way. And there's so much that can be done to deal with that. We'll work on it. Thank you so much, Sandeep. Okay.
Sandeep ji, I have one question. You said
Yeah.
fourth dimension is cost, sixth is as built, and seventh is what is delivered to the facility manager.
Yeah,
I
correct.
missed on the fifth. What is the fifth dimension you said?
Schedule.
Schedule, time schedule, 22
Okay.
months.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
Okay.
Sandeep. Yeah,
just
Sandeep. Sorry
one more minute on this. So that particular virtual model, Ravi, allows the owner to do the mid-course correction. Suppose if he is sitting in the December 2020 and he has a complete way forward for his building every month, every day. And if he says, okay, I don't have funds now, I want you to backload the funds and tell me how much premium I have to pay to my contractor to do the work with credits on, the model can tell him that with the interest rate of the finance. It is such a fantastic tool. You can say in the month of March, I can see that this cash flow says I have to pay you 80 crore. I don't have that 80 crore because it's a year ending. Please shift that 80 crore to April, and how will it impact my overall work? It just tells him within no time. That if you want to do that, then spend another 50 lakh rupees as a rate of interest, and it can be done. That's it.
Sandeep, one clarification. I got it right. I knew that 3D was dealing with the clash detection model, but its cost of 4D and 5D schedule, will it be also included in the clash detection model?
Yes.
4D, 5D will also come under that? It will come under that?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah,
What do you
and
think,
so that's why we have to also induce slowly and steadily professionals from IoT, Internet on Things. You know, slowly and steadily there is a vertical which is growing called IoT. These are the people actually capture all the services of the building and they created Internet on Things. So they make it user friendly, idiot proof, user friendly interface of that. So we'll talk more about this as we go ahead.
Wonderful. Thank you. So I'm looking at the watch also, 7:30, and we also find Dominic is also back. We wanted to be out for 10 minutes. A lot of good ideas have come. You have changed your t-shirt also. I find Dominic.
No,
You are a colored one. You are changed. No problem. I no problem. Whatever you are up to in the last 10 minutes, I am not questioning that. No problem. Now, next one, who will now take over? We have got exactly 10 minutes more
I
to
think
close
Mr.
at
Velan wanted
7:30.
to add some point.
Pardon?
Dr. Velan wanted to add.
Yeah. Dr. Velan should come in. Dr. Saab.
Basically, Sandeep Saab, I'm very happy that you touched upon this concept of 5D, 6D, and 7D kind of thing, which is going to be first of its kind of fresh one in the industry. I do respect that. This is basically other way called as actually digital twin. In fact, we are coming up for the first time in the large project in Chennai with the digital twin platform, which is a cloud-based platform wherein all these information, it's right from the design phase onwards, it is going to be in the digital format, which will be useful for the facility managers on the long run. So it is going to be like, as you rightly mentioned, 3D is anyway already there. 4D, 5D, 6D, and 7D is what we are just putting it for the first time in our project in Chennai. But having said that, as you rightly mentioned, this is not there in practice at all. And this is going to be a transformational change in the developer segment. It is not only for architectural, for all services, all equipments, you name anything, the data is going to be digital form. It will be available 20 years down the line also, as built, everything is there. So what we are doing, actually, we are hand-holding with that digital twin professionals in the design phase itself. We are putting them together so that that entire design, detailing, drawings, everything is prepared in such a way this will take care of that particular requirement. Absolutely, you touched that, and it is going to be first of its kind. We are luckily coming up, and I have introduced this in all our projects. Nothing is there. I just introduced for the first time in Chennai project of Capital Land recently, about 2 months back. That's one part. Second part is actually I want to touch it upon. Maybe it is not related to your discussion. I mean your point of discussion now. But I want to project one thing, as President was also correctly mentioned. We are not going to duplicate the work. We are not going to be competition to any other forum. But one thing I am telling you, this is a forum of various professional bodies, various professionals across all sectors. So one thing is, in the recent past pandemic one, we have again experienced like a wellness certification. For example, this is nothing to do with green, nothing to do with energy, nothing to do with this. This is purely with respect to operational excellence, operational comfort for the employees. What is that we are doing? There are firms like UNGPC has a wellness institute that only careers. Otherwise, if you look at it, British Council is what is certifying today the campuses. This is taking care of all sorts of initiatives with respect to COVID or any kind of pandemic situations like that. They are giving certificate. Why don't the Indianized focus forum, the forum focus can do such kind of, because it has all sorts of professionals attached to the body. This is to be one of the areas of focus for focus. If I am not wrong, I want this to be the certification body, not necessarily giving that, it will give comfort for the end users. All the more reason why I am saying this. ASHRAE is dealing with AC, electrical, various IPA, and all those people are dealing with various. But one forum, which is focus, is dealing with all sectors. It means you are the right agency to certify the properties, to take care of such kind of eventualities or a pandemic or any kind of things which will comfort. That is one thing which I thought I will be putting it. In addition to what Sandeep was saying, it was also the point of discussion. I kept it in my this one. This is very good. Digital twin is the one terminology which takes care of all these things, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D, which is there currently in use, very rarely in use now, but it can also cater to the industry. Thank you. I will come back
Wonderful.
again later. I'll come back
Wonderful,
later.
Leland. I can now see the think tank concept is going. We are talking about things which we never ever discuss. I talked in terms of above the ground, below the ground, internally, externally, and we are talked in terms of the whole issue of the IBMers taking a very major role, and Sandeep's whole opening out on the issue of going beyond what anybody has done. And you have brought in not only that, the digital twins word you used, and more importantly, possibility of some role towards the certification component, if not directly with the professional body, an appropriate institutional mechanism, which can be, we can be the drive behind that, we'll have to go into details of that. We'll stop at that time. So we'll take the next inputs coming. Who is going to chip in now? Pradeep Sheth Saab, Ravi Shankarji, who is going to chip in now? Ravi, I find Ravi's hand there. Go ahead, sir. Ravi, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just
I recognize you.
just a minute, sir. Just 1 second. I just want to share. I just prepared a document which I want to share with you all.
Yeah.
Now we have been speaking of what we can do and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
I just felt that it is extremely important for us to draw out very, very clear tasks that the association must engage in. So the 4-line forward that I wrote is, what actions must Focus initiate to demonstrate its relevance to its fraternity and stay meaningful and true to its objectives? This is a draft document for discussion and formulating clear objectives and list out plans with responsibility enlisted with specific persons' names against each of them.
Okay.
This is the only way to clearly chalk out a strategy so as to demonstrate our value to prospective members and to the governments to view us as the oneness that we so wish to create in the minds of people. We are one of everybody. So to start with, we must have a committee for governmental interactions. A city-wise and region-wise committee must be formulated, and they must ideally get in touch with Ministry of Housing, Urban Affairs Minister, National Institute of Urban Affairs, engage with Metropolitan Authority and the State Ministry, MSME and industries, State Industries Promotion Corporation. So we must ideally identify and have people in each of these responsibilities, so people know that, look here, Focus is going to engage in these activities. Otherwise, today we are by and large speaking about umbrella issues, the larger global issues, macro issues, saying we'll bring everybody together. Very beautiful. But how is that everybody going to come together, and what is it that we are going to do is what I think must be very clearly spelled out, and which is why I am saying that this must be identified and we must clearly work not just at the central level, but at the chapter level on these things. With construction sector, engage with local builders association, CREDAI, NAREDCO, BAI.
Very good.
Then educational institutions, city-wise, we must visit engineering colleges, diploma and training and development institutes in the field of electrical, civil, plumbing, architecture, whatever. In terms of skills development, I think we have to go to Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana, Director of Shikshan Sansthan, National Council for Vocational. We must target all these people, because in India, the challenge is to get trained personnel for the various works that we are, getting into. The other very important thing, which ideally has to be under the aegis of the event chair, is we have to identify programs for prospective members. We have to identify programs to bring in related governmental bodies into our programs for networking, so that people see value in what we are doing. Then we should have builders, architects, local land registration authority, all these things, so that people can actually feel that, okay, if I go to Focus, I probably will have this matter addressed. I probably will be able to meet a person from, the builders community, or a person from any of the government bodies, CMDA. I mean, so because I am part of Focus, I get this opportunity. I think this is very, very important. The other thing that I felt, these are just some of them. I'm sure this August body will have so many more who can come with much better ideas. But I just felt that we have to list these things down, so that we know where we are going and what is it that we need to do. The other thing that I felt was building material solutions. We must create a library of sorts of information and samples wherever possible, from all the people who are in the construction or critical utility space, who are offering products, who are offering solutions, who are offering information and technology. Some way that we find a library that we can create. This library could be visited by architects, could be visited by HVAC consultants, could be visited even by people who just want to get some information about construction or whatever it is. We could, I know this some of them could jump to this thing, say no, this is not what we want to do. I'm saying in future, when the situation is right, and when we have this library and all that, probably a small expo where we target very clearly to our potential segment. And this is another way to exchange members of Focus, and so many other industries which fall under the Focus community. These are just some of the points that I felt that we must immediately identify all those people who are willing to give the time, who have the bandwidth, who have the wherewithal to approach the government, to try and take these responsibilities, and so that we can demonstrate to people that, look here, if you join Focus, this is the kind of activity that we are doing. So you will, so that they see value in joining Focus. Today we are saying all all the critical utility services, we are bringing onto one platform. I am just trying to take that to the next level, to say that with all this is what we want to embark upon. I don't know, I just felt this is important. I'm sharing it with you. So if you feel I'm right, you can tell me. If there are people who can add value to this, you can tell me. But this is what I felt is important. So you can then yeah, I rest my case.
Thank you so much, Ravi. You brought in a lot of new interesting dimensions. One thing I liked as an important component, the interface that you decided, not only each sector working, what does it mean for that sector person working with the government, one level above at the higher and one level below with the local level. So that's an important component. And this is exactly what Asim Gupta ji told the administrator for the Bangalore BBMP. Exactly, this is exactly what, and he told openly, there's nobody doing this. I want Focus to come and do this one of the linkage. What does it mean for the electrical inspectorate? What does it mean for the lift inspectorate? What does it deal for the corporation? So if you're able to relate some of those aspects, in 2-3 of the particularly you brought out that, and of course separately one with the builders alone. I like that component of that builders alone component. It's very much in our mind to do that, and we will definitely work on it. On the building material, some question mark idea which you yourself doubted it, but I'm sure that also has got some positivity, because you talked of not only building material but also components and products which are available, and the whole document or a reference check document one that can be outsourced to do the job. You don't have to do that, but it's a concept where all concerned professionals can also look into that. Thank you very much. Who is the one next stepping in? We have already finished 7:30, so we got to ration of time a little.
Dr. Whelan suggested me to just post this image. What he gave from British Safety Council can confirm that remote-based review of.
Where is that?
Sir, Dr.
It's
Whelan.
on your screen, sir.
Yeah, Amitabh. No, I got Amitabh Soor's chat box coming up
No.
there. He said
No,
he'll
no,
be
no. This
sending-
is on
Yeah,
your
I got
screen.
the Capital Line India. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
So,
So
Dr.
my intention is that focus need to be the certification body in terms of, sir, British Council is doing it, using UK standards, but we are having such a powerful team and a specialist in this, and it can be also kept in mind.
You're making a strong case. You're
Yes.
making a strong case. We'll work on
National-
it. We'll work.
Yeah.
National Safety Council of India is doing as per Indian standard as far as this COVID certification is concerned.
Sir, there are multiple forums, Lalit ji. There are BVQI is also doing it. Wellness is doing it. What I am trying to say.
No.
Better-
As far as
better-
safety, BVQ, no. If you said British Safety Council. In India, National Safety Council is also doing similar thing.
Yeah, Lalit Gapani
I
can.
appreciate Lalit ji. What
Yeah.
I am trying to say is
Yeah.
there are forums doing it.
Yes,
limited
yes.
forums,
Yes, yes.
limited forums.
Yes, yes.
And what I'm saying, focus may also look at it in a
Sir.
bigger way.
Yeah,
in
yeah,
this
yes.
segment. Because we are only in this segment. What I am trying to
Thank
say.
you.
Right.
Thank you, Valency. Thank you very much.
I think
It's 7:36. So
Lalit,
who are the others who want to chip in? Very briefly,
yeah,
because
Mr.
we have our main idea for which you have come, we are getting more or less agreed upon. So we are slowly building upon whatever I said, whatever Sandeep has said, whatever has been told by Valency, whatever has been told by Ravi.
Can I?
Yes, I just told Lalit Gapani and there you are, sir. I
Yes.
just told you.
I missed out initial few minutes of this meeting. I joined a bit late.
We will incidentally, I think the whole thing is taped. Is it available? Whatever has happened today, is everything taped, sir?
Yeah,
Be available?
You're on record, sir.
We are on record. We'll share with all the members. Don't worry. Go ahead. So nothing gets lost. I got my 8 pages of copious notes I had taken, but now that the whole thing is recorded, we won't lose any point that anybody has said. We'll capture all that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go
Okay.
ahead, sir. Lalit, go ahead.
Right. I just want to express my, thoughts about this. I'm not sure if it was discussed in any of the previous meetings.
Yeah.
We need to set our KPIs, on annual basis. That
Key performance index.
key performance indicators.
Yeah.
In year one, how many members we want to enroll, how many
Yeah.
chapters we want to create,
Yeah.
how many events we want to do in what area. Then year
I
two,
have
we want to go.
I have briefly given some indication on that, sir, before you came, both in the
Okay.
short term as well as medium and up to the end of the year. First 3 months, what we should do, 6 months and end of the year. I have given some
Okay.
indication on some of
Okay.
this, but I'm sure you will be entitled to have your own view, irrespective. Now that you're not heard, whatever you feel like telling, tell it. Even if there's a repetition, it only makes
Right.
our case stronger, which is exactly what we discussed. Please go ahead, sir. One is
Yeah,
KPI
no,
for the way.
I think if your discuss is fine. I just wanted to touch upon that. Okay,
Because that
we
is
need
the
to set
idea.
our-
No, but you can pick up on the last point which Pradeep Sheth clarified that
Yeah.
National Safety Council is already doing that. What
Yes.
British Safety Council is doing for that particular thing.
Yeah,
On
yeah,
that,
yeah,
We may like
yeah,
to
we are
build
doing.
upon that idea, which is Valen brought out that idea. So
We
would
are
like to
doing
say
that,
something on
yes.
that.
Yeah. We have framed guidelines to check the preparedness and precautions taken by various companies, and they invite us to do their checks and audits, and then we give the certificate that yes, this premises, we cannot say COVID will not happen in that premises, but we say that they are following all the precautions and the directives given by Government of India, ministries, and all other best practices as on the date, and it's safe to occupy that building as per the conditions as seen during the inspection. That is the kind of certification. Even a British Safety Council is also doing the same thing that National Safety Council
Wonderful,
is
sir.
doing.
Wonderful, wonderful. Reinforcing of ideas.
Yes, we have been engaged by some IT companies to
Ah,
inspect their workplaces.
ah.
Okay,
Wonderful,
thank
sir.
you, Sandeep ji. I think you need to go. I think 7:45 is another meeting.
Yeah.
Um,
No, all of us have to break for that. If anybody else would like to intervene, I just got a thing from Calcutta that he said he has been hearing, he'll be giving his views also in writing. Mr. Suras, Amitabh Sur has already indicated that. So all should take note of that. So in addition to whatever is there, there is also input which has come from Amitabh Sur also. So Sandeep ji, I just thank for all his inputs now. Thank you very much. We want to leave at 7:45 there.
Point where, I mean, everybody must be facing the problem like, consultant's office, where, I mean, who are the basic builder and who are the basic designer of everything, whatever we talk today.
Yeah.
But, in a consultant's office, when they recruit people, they take a fresh engineers from the institute directly.
Yeah.
And they are just, a follower.
Freshers.
They are not given any basic training. They don't know what is IS code, what is the IS standard, what is NBC, nothing. They don't know anything.
Yeah.
They just do what their seniors are doing.
Yeah.
Blindly.
Yeah.
So there is hardly any, in-depth knowledge of the design. They just do whatever the seniors were doing before. So what I was thinking that, when we were talking about the certifications, we can also, think of how we can program a, training program for these fresh engineers who want to join the consulting office. Because without this certification, without this training program, the consultant should not recruit people directly from the college.
Okay.
They are the builders. They are the, they are going to design everything.
I think in the document that is prepared by Ravi, this education issue has brought it out very openly. And just like we have the green education, which is headed by Valen for IGBC, we'll have also under that focus education issue as a separate one under somebody's leadership. So take for these, especially the youngsters, especially student chapters which you open out in various colleges, they're multidisciplinary. Otherwise, they're purely unidisciplinary, most of the IGBC chapters, either they're architects or civil engineers. So we can now get into multidisciplinary teams within the same one, which will cut across the civil, mechanical, electrical, as well as the architectural division to work together. Your point is well taken. There can be a good training grounds for that, so that you're also preparing the type of consultancy specialist also to deal with that. We'll work on it, sir. We'll work on it. Your point is noted already, sir. If there are no further points, it's a time for me to thank everybody for spending so much time on a Monday evening like this, and once again wishing everybody a very, very happy New Year, healthy New Year, and more importantly, let's hope life will come back to full normalcy in the year with vaccine and other related things coming in the horizon, and hopefully that will be an area where the focus growth also, we identify a lot of things to happen in 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. We'll make that all happen in a big way. On that positive note, let me thank you all once again.
And let me take the opportunity to wish you a very happy birthday in advance, sir.
Thank you.
Day after tomorrow. Days, yes, your 30th of January is your December.
No, December. 30th of December.
December. Yeah, 30th December is your birthday.
I'll be
सुरेश जी अभी तो दो black label हो गया.
Hello, sir. Join. I was busy in another call meeting.
Finished.
So I couldn't join.
Namaskar. You come at the most appropriate time.
Another meeting, so I could not join.
No problem, sir. You're joined. That's more important. And we are very happy that you joined there. We had a very, very fruitful meeting. We started on dot at 6:30. We are now gone off till about 7:50. We are supposed to close at 7:15. I'm glad we took another 35 minutes. We'll share you with all the details of that. Thank you very much for your coming over. We're just winding up for the day, sir. And thank you very much once again, sir.
In advance, happy birthday to you from my side. Wonderful to have a young man leading this association. And
from my side also, happy birthday to you, sir, in advance.
Thank you, sir. I'll be 77, sir. Exactly. That's mine.
Oh, very nice.
My 56th year. my 56th year completing with that. Okay. The 56th
I'm very
years.
close to you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you very much. Happy
Very
New Year to
close is how
everyone.
close, Pradeep sir?
Pradeep bhai was we what? 2 years, sir.
2 years younger.
When is your birthday?
August.
August.
Okay.
Freedom.
August, okay. So you are 75, sir? Pradeep,
Yeah.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well,
I'm
both
1943. I'm
We got lot
1943
of
December
years.
30. So I'm
We
77.
don't have anything. See?
Correct. Gone. Everything gone. So if you play Tambola, we are called hockey sticks. 7-7.
Nice to see everyone there.
And I'm a great
Okay.
Tambola master, by the way.
Anyway,
Lovely.
Thank
lovely.
you.
And
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
happy New Year to everybody.
Ravi,
Cheers.
Ravi, a good
Thank you,
document.
sir.
You prepared a
Happy
good
New Year to
document.
everybody.
You silently brought a
Thank you.
document without telling anything, any hint.
Cheers. Cheers.
So
Yeah.
Chennai, first week, second week, Chennai chapter opening. We are waiting for you.
Yes.
No,
Yeah,
we will have
Ravi
it.
Shankar, I have given you all the contacts. I've sent you them. You should, many of them are interested in becoming the founder members for Chennai chapter. Right from the CEO of Grundfos and 4-5 consultants.
Excellent,
Ravi, I
sir.
think
excellent. And
Ravi should
Dave,
follow up
I'll
and
tell you, you will have a major support coming from the L&T team. L&T team itself will bring you around 15-20 people. And the gentleman to whom you should contact, I'll give you details of that. There's a big team of all the multidisciplinary team. They're very excited about the way Focus is formed.
Wonderful. Thank you, sir. I look forward to that information, sir.
We'll talk offline. Thank you very much. No,
so there was
Thank you,
only a
sir.
small
Thank
input,
you.
Thank you.
input from my end, even though it is little late. I think maybe it may be helpful or not helpful.
Maybe
Yeah,
you
what is
can
it,
talk
sir?
offline.
What is it? Shoot, sir.
Yeah.
Shoot.
See, basically, our person from Delhi, Gupta ji, what he wrote. See, he and Ashish Dakkan are at a different league. They are they're running a huge empire of around 2,000 crore each.
Yeah.
So, you can't expect them to go and get members, do the event and all that. So they
I
are
think we already,
above.
yeah, we are therefore decided that regional director word change karke regional, we are making zonal chiefs, north zone.
Yeah,
north
but
zone,
I
east
think
zone.
we cannot involve them, it is Ashish Dakkan and Samir Gupta ji, to do canvassing for members or doing for the event and all. So
That
they
will
will
get
hire
up.
people.
Yeah, we'll
You know,
have
they
a
will do
co-chair. We'll have 2-3 co-chairs who can do all the younger ones. Okay.
Yeah. I think that has to be done because they are running a 2,000 crore empire. You don't expect them to do all these small things.
Not at all. We would like to see
Whereas
how
we
best we can utilize their strength.
we all have professionals. So we have come through the ranks, So we don't mind working, but you can't expect them to do that.
okay.
Point well taken, sir.
Yeah.
Well
Fine.
taken.
That's my input. That
Yeah.
was a vital input for this.
Actually,
And,
Satish ji, you tell Rupesh she should have been there today because there's a very good point which Sandeep Shikre talked about in detail about the 3D to 4D to 5D, 6D, 7D and the IBMS component coming, the Internet of Things coming, so many ideas of, because I had a call from the Autodesk Indian chief discussion also. So he would have been a good participant today, but I'm sure we'll build upon. He and the BIM
so
Association.
we both were in a con call with a US call, so we could not join.
I thought so much, sir. I thought so.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, President. Thank you, General
Have a nice,
Secretary.
good night.
Pradeep said bye. Thank you.
Good night.
Iyengar
Good night.
sir. Thank you.
Cheers.
Good night.
Cheers.
Good night.
Narasimhan, thank you.
Good night.
Narasimhan,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Vanakkam, Nandri.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything. Yeah, I
Sir,
hope your
you're
card is
tempting,
not confiscated.
Pradeep,
No, I just went down and put it on the side and came back.
Very good.
next
Wonderful.
meeting आपका घर में होगा. ऐसा आप कहेंगे तो very
Most welcome.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Cheers to you.
on behalf of
Cheers,
you need to
cheers.
circulate
Who
2
was
bottles.
having the drink? Who was having the drink now?
Pradeep bhai.
अरे यार मैं तो कहाँ गिरता हूँ यार.
ಏ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Wonderful, wonderful.
We have
Cheers to you,
submitted
sir.
the document
Thank
to
you.
the registrar of
Thank you.
trademarks. Huh? That
Thank you.
registrar of
Lovely,
trademarks
lovely.
document.
We'll
are
Very
talk
given.
later on, please.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Can we
Let
all
him
have
enjoy
a,
his drink.
can we all have a beer drink on second evening after the meeting on second New Year ka first working day?
Hold the beer and beer meeting.
Here meeting.
No, just a symbolic,
Beer
it's
meeting.
symbolic. Symbolic at the end of the day, after the formal meeting is over. Okay, give it a thought.
We
Okay.
can celebrate our president birthday also same time.
That
Yes.
is the 30th. That is 30th. Chalo, aage. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much, everybody.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Namaskar.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.